Are you afraid of touching your everyday items due to the current pandemic situation? Do you feel uncomfortable cleaning the surfaces with harmful disinfectants every day? We have a solution here. Nano-Lab protects any surface from bacteria and viruses for 365 days with a single application. After coating with Nano-Lab, you don't need to use any regular harmful disinfectants anymore. Usual disinfectants last only for a few hours, but Nano-Lab stays for 1 year on the surface while being an active protector. Using regular disinfectants over and over again is very time-consuming, harmful for your well-being, and cost-intensive. After coating with Nano-Lab, you can easily clean the surfaces with water and cleaning agents. Nano-Lab is invisible and provides a physical barrier against bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and break the chain of infection with just a one-time coating. Nano-Lab surface solution outstands 40,000 cleaning cycles, so it stays around 1 year or even longer on the surface. Is Nano-Lab also safe? Yes, Nano-Lab passed the safety food test, contact, and skin test. Therefore, it can be applied on children's toys, mobile phones, door handles, clothes, and many other surfaces you wish to coat. Whether on metal, plastic, textile, or even displays, the application areas of Nano-Lab are unlimited. Additionally, the Nano-Lab surface solution is a water and dirt repellent and prevents micro scratches on the surface. Do not miss your chance. Get your Nano-Lab today and stay protected.